guys, it's Steven here. So we're gonna make a quick unboxing of this new item that I bought. It's a unlocking tool, Lockpick, 15 pieces set. So I'm very excited about this one, guys, because I'm about to know how to lockpick. So without further ado, let's open it. This is very exciting. So I received it earlier at work today, but I resisted the urge to open it up just so I could unbox it with you guys. Okay, let me use my trusty scalpel. It's already rusted, so maybe I'll buy a new one because I have an upcoming another item that I bought, which is a Aoshima model kit. So I'm gonna try the model kit hobby. Yeah, like those Gundam things, but it's cars instead. Right, straight out of the package, guys. This is it. So here it is. Just put the light in the right direction. There we go. So here it is. Other side. So it's sealed in a resealable. So there's this yellow package, and this must be the Lockpick set. There we go. Let's see if it's 15 pieces. Isn't it 1, 2, 3, and I dropped one, which is the 15th. Just another one of these. Guess that's all of them. Okay, there we go. We got different kinds of tools here, like this one. It has different teeth. So I'm gonna learn how to use these guys. Check that out. So I don't know how to use this yet, so maybe I'll make another video, but I need to practice on using them first. And then let's check what's inside this yellow package. It's sealed with tape. Oh, I guess I ripped it. Okay, this must be the sample lock. Yes. Nothing's and no other things in the box except this. So this is a, I don't know guys if you can see it, if it's a transparent lock with a small keys there, so we can use this to practice lock picking, guys. There we go. So I guess that's it for this quick unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll post the link of this item on the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye bye.